What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best portable washing machines to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The BaseCamp portable washing machine is a compact and efficient solution for those who need to clean their clothes while facing space limitations. This AC-powered unit has a washing capacity of 2 kilograms, allowing you to tackle a reasonable amount of laundry with impressive results. Whether you're on a camping trip or traveling, this portable washing machine offers convenience without compromising performance. The washing machine features a bottom-mounted agitator that ensures thorough cleaning of your clothes during the wash cycle, which can be set using the integrated timer. After washing, the self-draining top-loading single tub unit allows for easy water drainage. Simply lift the drain tube and position it where you want to empty the water. Once drained, you can refill the tub with fresh water for rinsing. To dry your clothes, it is recommended to hang them up. The BaseCamp portable washing machine operates on 120-volt AC with a rated power of 170 watts. It can be directly powered using a standard AC outlet, or if needed, it can also be used with a DC to AC power inverter for flexibility in different settings. Additionally, the machine comes with a spin tab, allowing you to conveniently spin dry your clothes after washing. Designed specifically for travelers and campers, BaseCamp washing machine products are lightweight, portable, and built to withstand rugged conditions. The convenience of having clean clothes while enjoying nature is greatly appreciated by fellow campers and adventurers alike. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient portable washing machine, consider the BaseCamp model for your laundry needs on the go. The Costway portable twin tub washing machine is a versatile and efficient solution for laundry needs in limited spaces. With its powerful motor, this washing machine offers faster and cleaner washing while consuming less energy, providing convenience and efficiency. Featuring a twin tub design, this washing machine combines both spinning and washing functions in one unit, offering great convenience for your laundry tasks. The durable plastic body ensures its longevity, making it suitable for various environments such as camping trips, dorms, apartments, or anywhere with limited space. This twin tub washing machine has a washing capacity of up to 8 kilograms, allowing you to wash a significant amount of laundry at once, while the spin tub can hold up to 4 kilograms for efficient spin drying. The separate timer control settings for wash and spin cycles, with a 15-minute washing timer and a 5-minute spin timer, provide flexibility and customization according to your laundry requirements. With 3 modes to choose from, including gentle, normal, and drain, you can select the appropriate setting for different types of clothes and cleaning needs. The washing machine comes with a water inlet hose and drain hose for easy filling and draining, streamlining the laundry process. Equipped with a powerful motor, this washing machine ensures effective washing and spinning, delivering satisfactory results. The rust-resistant and durable materials used in its construction guarantee long-term use and reliability. Additionally, the built-in drain pump allows for easy drainage, enhancing convenience and usability. In summary, the Costway portable twin tub washing machine is a compact and efficient laundry solution, offering simultaneous or separated washing, spinning, and drying functions. With its durable construction, powerful motor, and customizable timer settings, this washing machine provides a convenient and effective way to do laundry in limited spaces. The Giantex portable washing machine is a compact and efficient solution for laundry in small living spaces. This full automatic laundry washing machine is designed to fit in small areas, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or compact living situations. With a maximum weight capacity of 4 kilograms, it is suitable for medium or light laundry loads. One of the notable features of this washing machine is its built-in aluminum drain pump and drainage tube, which allow for easy and convenient water drainage. This eliminates the need to manually drain the water, saving you time and effort. The Giantex portable washing machine operates in fully automatic mode, meaning you can select a wash program and let the machine take care of the rest. This eliminates the need for constant monitoring and saves you valuable time. The machine offers 3 different water levels to choose from, depending on the amount of clothes you need to wash. This feature not only ensures efficient water usage, but also helps you save on electricity. With its mini and portable design, the Giantex portable washing machine offers convenience without compromising performance. It provides a space-saving solution for your laundry needs while delivering automatic cleaning and a built-in drain pump for hassle-free operation. In summary, the Giantex portable washing machine is a versatile and compact appliance that provides a full automatic laundry experience in small living spaces. With its small footprint, 4 kilograms weight capacity, built-in drain pump, and energy-saving features, this washing machine offers a convenient and efficient solution for your washing needs.